She's shaking.
Go gobble gobble.
She wants that turkey.
See? Oh, you see the puppies?
Move your right shoulder, kid. Yeah, there you go.
I'm sorry, Harry. She keeps trying to
I
like.
know, she wants to go out. She wants to jump out the
She
window.
wants a turkey so badly. Are you going gobble gobble? Go gobble. What? If I let you go, you won't be able to see the. Oh, if I put you down, you won't be able to see the turkey. See?
Luna.
See?
Luna, come here.
What? You want to see a turkey? You can't see the turkey from over there.
It's still there?
Yep. It's just like, what? When Luna was making the sounds, it was just like standing there like... What?
Luna. Luna. Luna.
Go gobble gobble. Go gobble gobble.
She wants to... She's so vocal. Oh, she... Luna.
The turkey just like, what the fuck? What? I can't let you like down. Look, this is what happens if I put you down. You can't see the turkey. Luna,
Luna, come here.